U.S. Army tests air transport of the M10 Booker light tank for the first time using C-17 aircraft. The U.S. Army recently conducted the first test of the M10 Booker light tank to be transported by air using a Boeing C-17 Globemaster III aircraft belonging to the U.S. Air Force (USAF). This test was for a rapid deployment mission, which allows the M10 Booker to be moved efficiently via air transport, thereby increasing the U.S. Army's ability to quickly project its armored power around the world. The test was carried out by U.S. soldiers from the North Carolina Air National Guard who held at the North Carolina Air National Guard Base, Charlotte International Airport. The M10 Booker light tank weighs around 42 tons, much lighter than the M1 Abrams main battle tank, MBT, which weighs around 70 tons. This substantial weight difference, 28 tons, gives the M10 a considerable advantage in terms of rapid deployment. The lighter weight allowed for more efficient air transport, so two M10s could be carried simultaneously in the belly of the C-17. On the other hand, the M1 Abrams is heavier, only one unit can transport the C-17 and requires more specialized logistics. About the M10 Booker is a light tank developed for the U.S. Army, designed and produced by the GDLS General Dynamics Land Systems Company. For its main weapon, the M10 is equipped with a 105mm caliber cannon which can fire APDS armor-piercing discarding sabot and HE rounds. High explosive, with a maximum shooting distance of 1.8 km for APDS and 4 km for E. APDS is a type of kinetic energy projectile with stable rotation for anti-armor warfare. The M10's turret accommodates a crew of 3 including a commander, gunner, and munitions loader, while the driver sits separately at the front of the turret. One of the superior features the M10 offers is its turret architecture, which is based on the M1 main battle tank. Using the M1A, the 2nd of September V3 fire control system and CITV commander's independent thermal viewer. The M10 Booker protection system is equipped with additional armor panels and under-vehicle protection against vehicles and improvised explosive devices (IEDs). For mobility, the M10 is powered by an MTU diesel engine, produces 800 horsepower and uses an Allison 3040MX cross-drive transmission system. In terms of performance, the M10 can travel at a maximum speed of 65 km per hour, has a range of 305 km and can operate for a full 24 hours. Meanwhile, the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III is a very versatile military transport aircraft capable of transporting up to around 78 tons of cargo. This allows it to transport heavy equipment, including 2 M10 Booker light tanks or 1 M1 Abrams in one flight. The aircraft's powerful carrying capacity and ability to quickly load and unload large vehicles increases the strategic mobility of the U.S. military. This capability is critical to deploying armored forces quickly and efficiently to multiple global locations, ensuring the military can respond quickly to emerging threats or operational needs.